Hello, and you're welcome to this tutorial slash how to. Since my headset was so lovely to turn off the mic in my first take, I'ma do the second take. Thank you, headset, for turning the mic off. If you wanna type all fancy pantsy like me, like this, this guide is for you because there is a guide out there from Firestorm itself. Though this one is pretty outdated, I think it's outdated with a few years, maybe 7. I'm not sure. Anyways, uh, this guide is for for a Windows PC. I don't know the shortcut keys for a Mac or your Linux users, so don't ask me about that because, as I said, I wouldn't know. I'm a Windows user. So to open up preferences, I hold down Control and press P. Uh, Then click on Chat, Typing, and Auto Replace. M- Make a check mark in this box. And I think by default you have uh, one or two pre-made lists. I don't remember because it's been so long since I did this last time. But whatever you list uh, you have, go ahead and click delete. So, but go ahead and click on the list and then delete list. It will tell you something like this. Uh, this and this your list contains so and so entries. Uh, uh, Are you sure you want to delete this list? And then click delete. For me, I do have uh, uh, the list here saved, so I don't mind. So after you deleted the whatever you have here, go ahead and make a new list. For this purpose, I'm gonna call it if is vid, uh, uh, which stands for Firestorm video, and you click OK. So now that the list is here, you click on add, and the keyword. Let's say the first one is gonna be a, a BRB. And the replacement is I will be right back. Don't miss me too much, okay? And click save uh, 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 entry. Now it's on the list here. Click uh, uh, add for making a new entry. If you have a gesture that says back, BACK, I recommend you to make the keyword here BK and save entry. Oops. And if you made a, a typo, you, like I did here, click on the list down here and then correct the typo. It's save entry. And now it, it, it is updated. Whatever you have on the list here that you made, you click on save changes. Now let's test here. Um, And after you type the keyword from the list you made, uh, uh, you have to press the spacebar because otherwise it, it will not show up. And click enter or press enter. And then BK from the list, spacebar and enter. You can actually save and load the lists too. To do that, open the auto replace window. Mark the list, e- export to save it on your PC. I recommend you to save it in the documents folder. And click save. Now delete the list. So mark the list here and click delete and delete. To load a list, it should be pretty self-explanatory. And also, an important note, you have to save the list as a doc XML file because otherwise Firestorm will not be able to read the file. So find your list and click open, and poof, your list is here.
Mic off. Mic on.
I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, I will be posting my my legacy name in the description box below. And if I am not online, please send me a note card. As we know, SR loves to eat the IMs, and I am not sure if this video has been posted by me in the past on my how-to list. I don't remember, and if it has, nah, sorry. But I think it's pretty old, eh, eh, anyways. So time for an update, anyways. Take care, everyone, and enjoy chatting like uh, this, both in local and uh, in groups, uh, as well as in, in groups, as well as in IMs. It works everywhere. Take care and have a good one. Bye.